Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am really hoping that you are doing well and doing your home task with responsibility and being responsible while studying. I welcome you to your next eLesson. This is the sequel of your Idioms lesson. I hope that you have watched the introduction and explanation part of idioms. And there were first 4 idioms discussed into the same lesson as well. Now let's proceed towards our next 4 idioms. The first idiom is, it is the 5th idiom from the given list. Wolf in sheep's clothing means a person who pretends to be nice but is not. The example of this idiom in a sentence is, beware of a wolf in sheep's clothing. The next idiom is snail's pace. It means to move extremely slowly. The example of this idiom in a sentence is, the roads were full of traffic and we were traveling at a snail's pace for 2 hours. The next idiom is, kill 2 birds with 1 stone. It means to accomplish 2 different things at the same time with same thing. Example of this idiom in a sentence is, I am going to the bank and then to the library. That way I'll be killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Now let's move towards today's last idiom, that is, make a long story short. The meaning of this idiom is, come to the point and leave out the details, or to tell something briefly. The example of this idiom in a sentence is, to make a long story short, we are never going back to that restaurant again. Alright students, so these were our next 4 idioms from the list. I hope that you have understood the meanings of these idioms and you will be able to use them into your speaking skills. Alright students, now let's give a look at those idioms one more time. Idiom 5 is, wolf in sheep's clothing means a person who pretends to be nice but is not. Idiom 6 is, snail's pace means to move extremely slowly. Idiom 7 is, kill 2 birds with 1 stone means to accomplish 2 different tasks or things at the same time with same thing. And idiom 8 is, make a long story short means come to the point and leave out the details. I hope that you have understood these idioms clearly. Now your home task is that you will have to use these idioms into the sentences. First, you will have to write down the idioms in your notebook along with the meaning and then with the sentence of your own. I wish you all the best. I hope you will be able to do it very easily. Now I will see you next time into the next e-lesson. Till then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.